Okay, so just a couple of things to note there, and let's change the speed again in JavaScript. Let's change this back to, I'm going to use 75 here, and how fast to shift the characters. Display text on the display, one character at a time. If the string fits on the screen, that is one letter, does not scroll. So I'm going to have it fairly fast here, and I'll just again download this to my PC. My Microbit. Okay, so that's downloading away, and you can see down here in the corner now, that's going to be downloaded. We should have off coming on the Microbit. So as we see now, we have off coming on the Microbit, and when I press, and really quickly, when I press button A, then we've got on coming on. When I press button B, off. Press button A, on. So I'm controlling the Microbit with button presses very simply, on and off there. And now we're going to send those in a moment to the Microbit. And just to say that the default state when the program starts is off. So you're doing that for power consumption, and maybe that the lights are off.